The open road is calling. It's time for a new adventure. Welcome to Advanced RV, your ultimate one-stop RV shop. From minor touch-ups to major repairs, our expert technicians have got you covered in our top-notch body shop. Need a part? We have a wide selection to keep your RV running at its best. Power up and hit the road with our competitively priced Propane. Dreaming of an upgrade? Or new to the RV lifestyle? Our RV sales cater to every budget and taste. Our professional service department will keep your home on wheels running smoothly. And when it needs a rest, our secure storage is ready. Find us at 4615 West, 3500 South, in West Valley, Utah. We're open Monday through Saturday. Call, text, or visit us online at advancedrv.net. Don't wait. Get your RV adventure underway with Advanced RV. Your journey awaits.